Hi y'all, Carrie D here, host of Coffee with Carrie Homeschool podcast and the author of Just Breathe and Take a Sip of Coffee. We're doing 20 days of 20 homeschool hacks, and today we're on homeschool hack number 8. Homeschool hack number 8 is to get your hands on a book series called Come Look With Me by Sarah Richardson. So instead of showing you my face today, I'm showing you a bunch of pictures of this book series so that you can see just how many there are. So if you want to do art studies or print studies with your kids, but you're kind of like me and you have no clue about art and art history and different artists, or how to even look at art and appreciate it and do, Charlotte Mason type of art studies, then get your hands on this book series. I love it because you can literally do art studies in 5 minutes every day if you want, or you can just put it into your morning time basket, and then maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, you pull out one of these books, you open it up to the double page spread, you look and observe the beautiful art print that's already there for you, and then after the kids talk about the picture, on the double page spread on the other side, there's questions you can ask and there's information about the print and about the artist. So if you really want to do art studies this year, but you really don't have the time or the knowledge or the chutzpah to get it done, then get your hands on the book series called Come Look With Me by Sarah Richardson.